Hi everyone, it's me MDO here to show y'all a video on how does a toilet tank work. Basically what you have here is you have a fill valve with a rod with a float ball, and then you have a flapper, and you have a handle, and you have a refill tube. It's called ball cock or fill valve. Now what happens is, when I flush this, push this handle, the flapper goes up and the thing closes. And it refills. Now as that ball goes up, it closes. There's a little diaphragm in there that closes. And that's how it works. Thank you for watching.